There are some tribes around the world that eat monkeys as their main food. These tribes are located in parts of Southeast Asia and Africa. One such tribe is the Agda tribe in the Philippines, who live in the northern part of the Sumatra Island. These tribes' people are known for their skills in hunting monkeys using traditional weapons such as bows and arrows. They also have a deep knowledge of the forest and the animals that live there, and they use this knowledge to their advantage when hunting. In addition to eating meat, the Edda tribe also eats a variety of plants, including fruits, vegetables, and roots. They have a diverse diet and are known to consume over 200 different types of plants. Despite their traditional way of life, the Edda tribe has faced many challenges over the years, including land loss due to deforestation and threats to their traditional way of life. Now let's talk about the Hadza tribe, also known as the Hadza. The Hadza are an indigenous hunter-gatherer tribe living in northern Tanzania in East Africa. They are one of the few remaining tribes in the world that still live a completely nomadic lifestyle, moving from place to place in search of food. Unlike the monkey-eating tribes, the Hadza do not eat monkeys as their main food source. Instead, they hunt other animals, such as antelopes and birds. The Hadza are skilled hunters, and they use a variety of methods to catch their prey, including bows and arrows and spears. In addition to hunting, the Hadza also gather food. They eat a variety of plants, including wild honey, baobab fruit, roots, and tubers. The Hadza are experts at identifying edible plants, and they have a deep knowledge of the forest and its resources. Despite their nomadic lifestyle, the Hadza face many challenges. They often have to move long distances in search of food, and they are constantly on the move, which can be difficult and tiring. They have also lost a significant amount of land due to deforestation and the expansion of agriculture. So what do these two tribes have in common? Despite their different diets and locations, the monkey-eating tribes and the Hadza have a lot more in common than meets the eye. Both are small, isolated groups of people who depend on hunting and gathering for their food. They live in harmony with nature and do not practice modern farming or settled agriculture. Instead, they rely on the natural environment to provide them with the resources they need to survive. This way of life is very similar to the way humans are believed to have lived thousands of years ago. And these tribes offer a rare glimpse into what life was like before the advent of agriculture. Both tribes also have rich oral traditions and a strong sense of community. They live in small groups, usually consisting of extended families, and each member of the group has an important role to play. The Hadza typically live in groups of 30 to 50 people, while the monkey-eating tribes may have larger or smaller groups depending on the location. Another similarity between the two tribes is their nomadic or semi-nomadic movement. Both groups do not stay in one place for too long, and they often move from one location to another in search of food. This is especially true of the Hadza, who are completely nomadic and travel up to 10 kilometers per day in their search for sustenance. Monkey-eating tribes may also travel long distances, although they may not be as mobile as the Hadza. Perhaps the greatest threat these tribes face today is the pressure from the government and developers to settle down and farm the land. This pressure is often accompanied by a loss of land due to deforestation and the encroachment of modern society. As the world becomes more modernized and developed, these tribes are losing their traditional way of life. The monkey-eating tribes and the Hadza are truly fascinating groups of people who offer a rare glimpse into some of the last remaining traditional societies in the world. They are also a reminder of the challenges that these societies face as they struggle to survive in a rapidly changing world. It is important that we learn about and preserve these cultures for future generations, so that we can understand the diversity of human societies and the challenges that different groups face in adapting to a changing world. Additionally, studying these tribes can provide valuable insight into the earliest days of human life and how our ancestors survived in different environments. By understanding the challenges they face, we can also work to protect their way of life and ensure that they are able to continue living in the way that they have for generations.